Hey everybody, this is Stacy with SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services. And each week we go through 3 projects that I'm bidding on with contractor partners of mine. And so I just want to show you kind of what we do and always give you an opportunity to sign up for any one of our programs. There are 4 different ways you can work with me, and this is one. So weekly estimating, we go over projects similar to this, and this is a Chick-fil-A. This is a really good one, Chick-fil-A from the ground up, and we'll be working on every aspect of the plans, the site plan, utility plan, the landscape plan even, and to be a good estimator and to learn as much as you can, it's really, really beneficial to do every different type of project. And so this week we'll be working on this Chick-fil-A, a Bath and Body Works, which is a tenant improvement. So there's a demolition portion of that, and a Dutch Bros, which I'm almost certain that's from the ground up, I think, or maybe not. Or maybe it's the Dutch Bros. No, the Dutch Bros is a tenant improvement. So we have a demo for that. And then I'm not sure about the Bath and Body Works. It's probably a tenant improvement as well, but the Chick-fil-A is from the ground up. So from the ground up is everything. So whether you are into concrete, you got to determine the rebar. We're going to go over the foundation, and we are going to bid. I'm bidding every aspect of this with each of my contractor partners. And the way that it works is I provide them with the estimating at $199 a month. And when we win, they just break me off a little bit, which I'm not picky right now because I already know we're going to win. So I'm not really worried about it. And once you start to win, they're not going to mess that up. So if you're interested in the California area, please let me know, or I'd be willing to do it with you after a little investigation. But yes, this is what we do. This week we'll be working on a Chick-fil-A. And so also, this week I will have on Intern Academy. It's really important regardless of the trade. Okay, let's start with the floor plan. It's really important, if I'm the framer, to be able to go from this plan view to section view to detail view. And it's important to be able to do that because I have encompassed the full scope of the project as the architect has intended. And so Intern Academy, beginning this week, we're having plan view, section view, detail view series for every trade. So for framing, whether it's A-plan framing or structural framing, concrete, because each of the scopes, roofing, you need to look at the plan view, you need to look at a section view, and you need to look at a detail view. And so it's very, very important that you are able to transition and know how and know what you're looking at when you look at it, from plan view to section view to detail view. And so, when you work on each of the projects with us or with me during the week, whether it's a workshop that we have every week, the year-long estimating training that we have, Intern Academy, which is self-paced study, which every aspect of every division is in there. And so depending on your trade, you get access to that division. And our statewide program where we know what the problems are in your state. We have a 3-tiered pricing system, and if it works for you, it works for us. And right now we have a 14-day trial period, so you can try it out for $49 for 2 weeks and see if it works, which it will. And so Chick-fil-A, Dutch Bros, Walmarts, gas stations, hotels, motels, Holiday Inns. Hey, it doesn't make a difference. So sign up today at sfjohnsonconsulting.com. See you soon.